Ladies and gents, excuse the fact that I don't have any mascara on right now, but I had to come to you with a video because this palette, I have been so excited about it and waiting for this palette. I have been checking my order confirmation, like refreshing to wait for this to come in, and it came in. And there's a time in your life when dreams meet reality, and dreams have met reality today because Per Cosmetics or Pure Cosmetics, I think it's Per Cosmetics. Don't come for me with the pronunciation because I don't know, but whatever. They decided to collab with Barbie, and this is an all-inclusive Barbie. This is new age Barbie, and I was obsessed with Barbie when I was younger. So this palette is like slaying my life. So I'm gonna just show it to you. This is perfection. I like when I saw the packaging, when I opened this box, I damn near dropped it because I was so excited. It's beautiful. It's amazing. The colors on the back. So here's all the colors. I don't know if y'all can read all these, but like, and I don't even know if it's popping, like even on the box, how it is in real life. But we're gonna open it, and I'm gonna do just a little quick look for y'all today. I got my little pink on. I wish I had a Barbie shirt because this would have been perfect. I'm gonna order one now just because of this palette. But look at this. Like, it's got like little diamonds. It's got like little diamonds on the palette. Like, this is 3D. Like, it's beautiful. Okay, it's beautiful. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's got like, oh, you can see my screen. Look at that. And my fingerprints, and I didn't just open this box, and then opening it, so it has like this little plastic thing on it, which is really cute. Never lose your sparkle. And then it's got a huge mirror, which I love. And look at those colors, y'all. Like, oh my god. I swatched this in the store because I went to Ulta and I saw it there. I ordered it online because I got it like with a discount. You guys gotta always check your coupon codes. My friend sent me a coupon code. I was like, this is why we're best friends. You always look out for me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the look because I have very high hopes because just trying it in the store, it is buttery. The consistency is crazy and the pigment is there. So we're gonna do a little look today, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this. Like, you know what? Let me have the box spinned around so I can actually see what some of these are. Okay, so we're gonna use Role Model. This light brown right here. I'm gonna just use that as a base. Kind of press it in because I did my foundation already. I used like a foundation stick. Actually, the foundation stick from Colourpop, and it like melted into my skin. Like you can't even tell. But I'm gonna try to do this because I need a close mirror, and right now all of them are far away because of my computer. But yeah, so I'm just trying to brush this in because it is on the powdery side, this color. And I don't want to have too much fall out. That's what that is. And it smells good. Like it smells like if you've had a Too Faced, like yeah. So I have the Too Faced Semi Sweet palette as well, and it smells like that. Like it smells like cocoa. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into now Vintage, which is this dark brown at the top. I'm gonna dip into that and do like a little shading. I might have to actually change my brush because okay, I see it now. It's not super dark, but it still works. Like it's still I could see it shading. Yeah. Like I'm shocked when I opened this palette. I was like, oh my god, like it's so beautiful. And yeah, I'm when I tell you I'm like lightly because it is very powdery. Like you don't want to dig into it. You don't. You don't even have to. Like I'm seeing this and I barely tapped it. What? Oh, Jesus. I literally, it's like I knew as soon as I saw it, I was like, that palette, that palette is me. Not. I'm gonna go into, let's see, I'm trying to use like as many colors as I can for y'all. I think I'm gonna go into this bottom one. It's got like sparkle in it. It's like the darkest color. Press it into the edge because I really want just like a little shadowing, whatever they call this, but yeah. Ooh, and I like it too because it's not too sparkly. So you can still use it on the outside because I like to keep sparkly stuff on the inside. So sometimes I don't like when they make dark colors. Oh, that is pretty. And it really it blends so well. Like it's like a gradient look already. I haven't even done much like blending in. I just kind of popped it on. It's cute like that. Whatever. Um, hmm. So this color, I may or may not pop this on at the end, but I want to first go in with like between this purple and this pink. I'm gonna do the pink. Why not? It's Barbie, y'all. So I'm going in with Barbie is the name of the pink. That's very perfect. That's fitting. Okay, so we're just gonna lightly because, like I said, these are on the powdery side. I could see them popping off. I'm kind of pressing it first and then brushing it in. Oh, that's pretty. I think I'm gonna like. So I don't really use concealer, and that may help with this to stick better, or even like an eyeshadow primer. Sometimes use eyeshadow primer. I don't really like to, especially because I put my foundation on like all over my face, including on my lids, and that usually is enough. And it's sticking, but I think I'm gonna just try. Yeah, I went too far. Oh, that's so easy. So I went too far with the pink and it got in my shadowing, and I just like swiped and it's gone. Like it never happened. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with my finger. That's how the color looks. I'm gonna try to pat it and see how that looks. Ooh, yes, yes, girl. Yeah, you see that. You see the difference. It really builds. Oh, I just hit my elbow. It really builds. Like it's very buildable. Don't judge me when my nails come off. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Um. So I think I'm gonna see how this glitter at the bottom is called accessory, and I'm gonna use it as an accessory today. I'm gonna tap it with my finger lightly, and then ooh, I tapped that so light. What the? Yo, so much fun. It's like having Barbie basically all over again, like playing. Okay, I'm gonna tap it on top of the pink. See how that looks. That is crazy. Wow. That is so pretty. And I'm just like lightly tapping it on top. There's a little bit of fallout, a little bit. Not bad though. I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with this. The way that it looks. It has like, honestly, it has like little flecks of blue, little flecks of red and orange, and of course silver. And it works, like it complements the pink so well. Oh my god. Are you seeing this? And it shimmers like it's just catching the light, catching my little vanity mirror because that's all I have right now. I don't have fancy lights yet, y'all. But it's complementing my highlight, complementing the skin. I wanted to try out the blue because I like the blue. And I kind of like to do blue on the bottom sometimes. So we're going to see how that will work today. So I'm going to use this blue. The blue is called Ken. That's cute. Ken to Barbie. So I'm going to do the blue. I'm going to do it on the bottom lid. Let me use my side mirror for this because I really got to. That's cute. Yo, that's cute. Okay. I'm gassed. Alright, let me put it on the other side. Might even just dab a little purple. Let's see. Let's see. This purple is called Fashionista. I'm gonna just kind of mix them. See what we get. That's pretty. Yo. Palicky purple. It's like purple with like a shimmer of pink. It popped on that blue. Do you see? She snapped. Okay. Well, I'm excited. Oh my god. Don't even. I'm between the gold, which is super shimmery. Don't let me drop this now. I'm between the gold and there's like this little, like a light pink. You know what? I'm going to do both. So we're gonna do the gold first, which is called Empowered. I'm gonna put that in the crease right here. Put that little bit of pink on there. Oh yeah, the pink pops. Oh, and it really pops on top of the gold. Beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of Fantasy, which is the white, the lightest color. I'm gonna put a little bit of that, just like dab it right in that corner. Ooh, yes, that's what I wanted. Oof, I did get some fallout, but yo, this is cute. Okay, this is cute. It's like so girly. I'm so happy. It's so girly. It's so cute. Like, oh my god, my brow just to like highlight a little bit. It's very light, but a little bit more. Okay. Do it on this side. I'm gonna be like, because I've already filled my eyebrows, that's why I'm trying to mess them up. Simple line. Let's see how this works. Just like very light. I like my eye to be smoked out, you know? Okay. This is not working. Come closer. There we go. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do. Yo, that's so cute. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do some mascara. You know what? I have BoxyCharm. I'm gonna try to record. Oh, what is that? I'm gonna try to record in like an actual look, but I have BoxyCharm. They sent me this. I'm gonna use this mascara today. I just wanted to try it out. I'm gonna try to do a real video though with my new boxy. It's been a minute. I recorded so many videos. I just have not gotten around to editing them and posting them. So you might just get spammed with a bunch of me. So just prepare yourself. You kidding? Oh my god. She's gorgeous. Um, wow. Like, shoot. I think, I don't know what this is. Okay. Didn't know that was mascara. Wow, this is such a beautiful look. Like, so pretty. So pretty. Like, I love it. All right. So, needless to say, I'm obsessed. Get you this palette today. We'll get you it. We'll get you it and then play with it. They have this. I know they have a highlighter. I did swatch it in the store. I didn't get it because I don't need any more highlight. I'm promising you. But if you're looking for a new highlight, that highlight was very pigmented. It was kind of like a blush highlight combo thing. It was beautiful. And then they also have some lipsticks, like glittery lipsticks, and those also look pretty. But again, I also didn't need any more lipsticks, so I just went with the palette. The palette alone was a little pricey. I think it priced for like 40 something maybe. I'll put the cost in the like comment section, whatever. And the link. So for Ulta, yeah, I'll put the link for it. But yeah, so I feel like it was pricey enough with this, so that's why I didn't get everything else. But if you got the money, girl, and if you're trying to step up your makeup game, get the whole collection. How about that? It's Barbie. It's Barbie. But all right, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this look, and yeah, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get more videos out to y'all. I know it's been a minute. I took some time off, but now I'm back. Bye.